Any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation, and this will have exactly two roots. This quadratic equation can be solved by the method of formula. The formula we are going to use is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, then the sum of roots is always equal to minus b by a. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of basic mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So in my previous class we have discussed regarding linear equations. So in this session I am going to take very important concept, that is regarding quadratic equation, solving, that is finding the roots of a quadratic equation by different methods. So in your syllabus you are going to study only two methods, that is one is factorization method, another one is by formula method. Now let us come to what is a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation, in any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. Any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation, that is a second degree equation. The power of x is 2. So if it contains x square, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then it is called a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation will have exactly two roots. Now, so example, x square plus 2x plus 3, this is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. X square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is also an example for a quadratic equation. So any equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation, and this will have exactly two roots. A quadratic equation will have two roots. Suppose if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation, if alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, then the sum of roots is always equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta, that is nothing but minus b by a, means negative coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square will give the sum of roots, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and the product of roots is given by alpha beta is equal to constant term divided by coefficient of x square c by a. Alpha plus beta sum of roots is equal to minus b by a, and the product of roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. Now these formulas are used to find whenever the roots of a quadratic equations are given. Suppose if the roots of a quadratic equations are given, to form a quadratic equation just use this formula. If alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then the required quadratic equation is of the form x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to x. This is very important formula indeed. So if alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, then a quadratic equation, whenever the roots are known, that is if two roots are known, then a quadratic equation can be formed using the formula x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0, that is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. Now, a quadratic equation is solved in two methods. One is factorization. One is factorization method. Another one is by formula method. So, in factorization method, we are going to use the factors to find the roots. Just by cross multiplying, we are going to find the factors, and taking the common factor, we are going to get the roots. Whereas in formula method, you are familiar with solving this type of problem. This is called the Vidhyaashram method. So a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 can be solved using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the formula we are going to use to solve the problems, that is a quadratic equation. So a quadratic equation can be solved using the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So using these two concepts we are going to solve. Let me take few examples based on this. Now let us come to the first problem. Let us take The first method is called the quadratic equation by factorization method. Just find out the factors of this equation 2x square minus 7x plus 3, that will give the values of x, the roots of the given equation. So here just multiply these to 2 into 3, 2 into 3, that's equal to 6. 6 can be factorized as 6 ones are 6. Since it is minus, therefore this 6 can be written as minus into minus into minus, this is plus. So the factors for these are 2x square minus 6x minus x plus 3 is equal to 0. Minus 6x minus x is minus 7x. Okay, you can take 2x common factor, x minus 3, here minus 1 common factor, x minus 3 is equal to 0. In these two, what is the common factor? X minus 3 is the common factor, and the term outside the bracket are 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x minus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 3 or 2x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore the roots are x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1 by 2 are the roots for this quadratic equation. That's it. X is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. Or you can also factorize by method of cross multiplication. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. This can also be factorized by the method of cross multiply. Just cross multiply. Multiply this 2x into x. 2x into x is x square. 3 can be written as 1 into 3. 1 3 is a 3. So just if you multiply this to 3 into 2 is 6x, 1 into x is x. So since it is minus, you can put negative sign for this. Minus 6x into minus x is minus 7x. So minus into minus plus. So see, minus 3 into 2 is minus 6x, minus 1 into x is minus x. If you add these two terms, minus 6x minus x, you will get minus 7x, the middle term. If you multiply minus 1 into minus 3, you will get this term. If you multiply these two, you will get the first term. So therefore straight away you can write 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. These are the factors. See, so 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 here. So 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to 3. So therefore the roots are x is equal to 3 or x is equal to 1 by 2. That's it. 3 or 1 by 2 are the roots of the quadratic. So this is by the method of cross multiplication. So here the factors can be multiplied like this. Okay, this is how we are going to solve using factorization method. Okay, now let us take a next problem, similar type problem, x square minus 3x minus 10. So here x square, so the coefficients are 1 into minus 10 is minus 10. Minus 10 can be factorized as, so 5 2s are 10, it is minus 10. So this can also be written as minus 5 plus, minus into plus it is minus. So therefore this equation can be written as x square minus 3x minus 10 can be written as x square minus, this minus 3x can also be written as minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. See, this is 10x square. If I put 10x square like this, x square into minus 10, this is minus 10x square can be factorized as minus 5x into plus 2x. So minus 5x into plus 2x. Now here you can take the common factor, x is the common factor, x minus 5 plus here 2 is the common factor, 2 5s are 10 is equal to 0. So x is the common factor, x minus 5 plus 2 is the common factor, x minus 5. In these two, what is the common factor? X minus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 2. So therefore the roots are x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 2. That's all. This is how we can factorize. Okay. Now let us come to the next problem. X square plus x minus 6. So here, so x square into minus 6, that's equal to minus 6x square can be factorized as, this can be written as 3x into 2x. What is 3 into 2? 6x. So since it is plus and minus, plus into minus, plus into minus, minus, we will get. So this equation x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0 can be written as x square, the factors are plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. See, 3 2s are 6, x square minus, and 3x minus 2x is plus x you will get. So here the common factor is x plus 3, x is the common factor, x plus 3, minus 2 is the common factor, minus into minus plus 2 3 is a 6 is equal to 0. In these two the common factor is x plus 3 into outside terms are x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 2. So therefore the roots of this equation are, therefore x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to plus 2 are the roots of this equation. That's it. Okay. Hope you followed. Now you got an idea how to solve the quadratic equation by factorization method. That's it. Okay. Now let us take a similar problem solved by the method of factorization. 4x square plus 4x is equal to 3. So this is 4x square plus 4x is equal to 3 can be written as 4x square plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here, so just this 4x square into minus 3 can be written as 4 3s are 12 minus 12x square. 12 can be written as, how to write 12? So this is nothing but 6 2s are 12. X into x is x square, 6x into 2x is 12x square. Since this is negative, so we can take plus into minus, minus here, plus 6x into minus 2x is minus 12x square. So this can be written as 4x square and plus 6x minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So here 6x minus 2x is 4x. Here what is the common factor? You can take 2x common factor. What is left over is 2x. X is gone, plus 3. 2 3s are 6. 2 here 2 into 2 4x square, 2 into 3 6x, minus, you can take minus 1 common factor, then we will get 2x plus 3. Minus into plus it is minus, minus into plus it is minus. So you can take minus 1 common factor out. In these two, what is the common factor? 2x plus 3 into outside terms are 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. These are the factors. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. That means 2x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Here 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore the roots are x is equal to minus 3 by 2 or x is equal to 1 by 2. So these are the roots of the given equation. That's it. Okay, this is how we are going to solve a quadratic equation by the method of factorization. That's it. Okay. Now let us come to the second method of solving a quadratic equation, that is by the method of formula. So solve the quadratic equation by formula method means, so an equation ax, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. This quadratic equation can be solved by the method of formula. The formula we are going to use is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula we are going to use. So what is x? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. 2 into a. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, c is the constant term. Now just compare this. Comparing with the standard equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is a? A is coefficient of x square is 1, b coefficient of x is minus 4 and c the constant term is 3. So a is 1, b is minus 4, c is equal to 3. Now therefore the roots x is equal to, what is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a. X is equal to minus b minus of minus 4 into plus or minus root of b square minus 4, b square is minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is equal to 3 divided by 2 times a. What is a? A is 1. So x is equal to minus into minus plus or minus 4 plus or minus root of b square, 4 square is 16 minus 4 3s are 12 divided by 2 1s are 2. So this can also be written as x is equal to 4 plus or minus root of, What is 16 minus 12? 16 minus 12 is 4 divided by 2. So x is equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 divided by 2. Now, you can take plus and minus separately. Now, therefore, x is equal to 4 plus 2 by 2, or x is also equal to 4 minus 2 by 2. So, x is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6 by 2 is 3, and x is equal to 4 minus 2 is 2 by 2 is 1. So, therefore, the roots of this equation are x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 3. That's it. These are the roots. This is how we are going to solve. Very simple method. I'll explain once again. Solve by the method of formula, using formula. What is the formula? Formula to solve ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Comparing with the standard equation, a is the coefficient of x, a is 1, b is the coefficient of x minus 4, c is equal to constant. Substitute here, minus of minus 4 plus or minus root of b square minus 4 whole square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 3 divided by 2 into a is 1. Minus into minus plus 4 plus or minus 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12 divided by 2. Now that is 6 minus 12 is 4, square root of 4 is 2, 4 plus or minus 2 divided by 2, one time positive and take plus first. X is equal to 4 plus 2 by 2 and x is equal to 4 minus 2 by 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6 by 2 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2 by 2 is 1. So, therefore, the roots are x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 3. That's it. Hope you followed. Now, let us come to the same type problem. Let us take one more example. X square plus 6x plus 8 is equal to 0. Comparing with the standard equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, c is equal to 8. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. Substitute here. X is equal to minus b 6 plus or minus root of b square 6 square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is 8 divided by 2 into a is 1. So, that is x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus root of 6 6 are 36 minus 8 into 4, 8 4s are 32 divided by 2 1s are 2. See here, minus 6 plus or minus 6 square, 6 6 are 36, 8 into 4, 8 4s are 32 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. So, this is x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus 36 minus 32 is 4 divided by 2. So, x is equal to minus 6 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 divided by 2. Therefore, the roots are x is equal to minus 6 plus 2 by 2 and x is equal to minus 6 minus 2 by 2. So, this is x is equal to minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 by 2 and x is equal to minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 by 2. So, the roots are x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 2 as well as x is equal to minus 4. That's it. Okay. Now, listen to me. Very simple problem. Just what is a? A is 1, b is 6, c is equal to 8, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a minus 6 plus or minus root of 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 8 by 2. 6 6 are 36, 8 4s are 32. So, minus 6 plus or minus 36 minus 32 divided by 2. 36 minus 32 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. Take positive one time and negative another time. Minus 6 plus 2 by 2. Minus 6 minus 2 by 2. Minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 by 2 is minus 2. And minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. So, therefore, the roots of the equations are x is equal to minus 2 and minus 4. That's it. Hope you followed. Right. Now, let us take a similar type problem. Now, solve 5x square minus 7x minus 12 is equal to 0 by the method of formula. Using formula, solve this. Now, comparing with, let us comparing with the standard equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to minus 12. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute here, x is equal to minus of minus 7 plus or minus root of, what is b? b is again minus 7, minus 7 whole square, minus 4 into a is 5, and what is c? c is equal to minus 12 divided by 2 into a is 5. Simplify this, that's it, okay. Now, so this can be written as x is equal to minus into minus 7 plus or minus root of 7 square, minus into minus plus 7 sevens are 49. So this is minus into minus plus you will get here. This is 12 5s are 12 into 5 is 60, 60 into 4, 6 4s are 24, 240, 240 whole divided by 5 2s are 10. Simplify, that's it, okay. Now, this can also be written as x is equal to 7 plus or minus 240 plus 49. 240 plus 49 is 289. This is 289 divided by 10. Right, 289. Square of 2 is 89 is 17. That's it. Now, this can be written as x is equal to 7 plus or minus square of 289 is 17 divided by 10. Now, simplify this. Minus of minus plus 7, root of 7 sevens are 49, minus into minus plus, 5 4s are, yes, 12 5s are 60, 6 4s are 24, 240 divided by 2 5s are 10, 240 plus 49 is 289, square of 289 is 17. So, therefore, the roots are x is equal to 7 plus 17 by 10 and x is equal to 7 minus 17 divided by 10. So, this is x is equal to 7 plus 17. So, that is nothing but 24 divided by 10 and x is equal to minus 10 divided by 10. Now, this can be divided, if you want you can divide this. This can be written as x is equal to 24 by 10 is nothing but 2.4 and this is x is equal to minus 1. So, therefore, the roots are x is equal to 2.4 and x is equal to minus 1. That's it. These are the roots for the given equation. That's it. See, 7 plus 17 is 24 by 10. 7 minus 17 is minus 10 by 10. So, 24 by 10 is 2.4, minus 10 by 10 is minus 1. So, 2.4 comma minus 1 are the roots for the given quadratic equation. That's it. Now, let us take a similar type problem. Solve 2x square minus 7x is equal to minus 3. So, this can be solved by the method of formula. Using formula, solve this. The given equation is 2x square minus 7x and transfer this minus 3 becomes plus 3 is equal to 0. Comparing with, if you compare with the standard equation, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to plus 3. What is the formula? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2 into a. X is equal to minus of minus 7 plus or minus root of b is again minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a is 2, c is 3 divided by 2 into a, 2 into 2. So, this is equal to x is equal to minus into minus plus 7 plus or minus root of 7 sevens are 49 minus, so 3 2s are 6, 6 4s are 24 divided by 2 2s are 4. So, x is equal to 7 plus or minus root of 49 minus 24 is 25 divided by 4. X is equal to 7 plus or minus square root of 25 is 5 divided by 4. Okay, this can be simplified as, now the roots are, therefore, we can take x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4 and 7 minus 5 by 4. So, what is this equal to? 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is nothing but 12 by 4. 12 divided by 4 and 7 minus 5 is 2 divided by 4. So, therefore, the roots are x is equal to 4 3s are and this is 1 by 2. So, therefore, the values of x, the roots are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. That's all. The roots are x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So, 1 by 2 and 3 are the roots for this. So, x is equal to 1 by 2 and 3 are the roots for the equation. Anything you can take, first 3 are 1 by 2 or 1 by 2 and 3. Okay, hope you followed. Now, let us come to the next concept. So, form the quadratic equation whose roots are given. So, in the beginning itself, I explained how to find the equation whenever the roots are given. Suppose if alpha and beta are the roots, alpha and beta are the roots of a quadratic equation, then the required quadratic equation is the required quadratic equation is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. That is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. This is a formula we are going to use. Now here what is given? This is given. Form the quadratic equation whose roots are given. Alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 2. What is alpha plus beta? 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. What is the product? Alpha beta is 1 into 2 is equal to 2. So therefore the required equation is x square minus sum of roots alpha plus beta is minus 3x into product plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the required equation. X square minus 3x plus 2, that is x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 is the required equation. This is how we are going to solve using the formula. Another method is also there, or we can also take like this. Since 1 and 2 are the roots, therefore x minus 1 and x minus 2 are the factors. These are the factors. So therefore x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Simplify this. X into x is x square, x into minus 2 is minus 2x, minus 1 into x is minus x, minus into minus plus 2 is equal to 0. This is x square minus 2x minus x is minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. X square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So you can solve by the method of formula, or by just multiplying you can also get the solution. That's it. Okay. So this is by factorization method, this is by formula method. So if you want to get the equation by factorization method, you use this one method. By formula method, you can use this method. So let us take one more problem. Now what is the problem given? So form the quadratic equation whose roots are given. Let us solve by both the methods. One is factorization method, another one is by formula method. By factorization method, so by factorization method, here 2 and minus 3 are the roots, therefore x minus 2 and x plus 3 are the factors. These are the factors. So therefore we can write x minus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Multiply this. X into x is x square, minus 2 into x is minus 2x, plus 3 into x is 3x, minus 3 to the 6 is equal to 0. Or x square plus 3x minus x is plus x, minus 6 is equal to 0 is the required quadratic equation by factorization method. Okay. Now this can also be solved by formula method. So what is given? Alpha is equal to 2 and beta is equal to minus 3 are the roots. Sum of roots alpha plus beta is equal to 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Product of roots alpha beta is equal to 2 into minus 3, that's equal to minus 6, right? So what is the formula? The required equation is, the quadratic equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. X square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. X square minus what is alpha plus beta? Minus 1 into x plus alpha beta is minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is x square minus into minus plus x, minus into plus it is minus 6. So x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. See, x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is by formula method, this is by factorization. So this is the method which we are going to use to find the quadratic equation whenever the roots are given. So hope you followed this very important concept, right? So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a few more different type of problems in the next session. Thank you very much.